गाइस, सो वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। एंड आज का वेदर काफ़ी अच्छा था। हमने ऑलरेडी वीकेंड के लिए डिसाइड कर रखा था कि हम बीच जाएंगे बिकॉज द वेदर सीम्स टू बी नाइस। सो हियर वी गो। एंड ऑनेस्टली गाइज, हमें लगा था कि ये प्लेस एक कंट्री साइड प्लेस है, सो ये लाइक इट वोंट बी लाइक मोर लाइक अ सिटी, बट सरप्राइजिंगली इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस सिटी। सो बेसिकली मैं आपको ये तो बताना भूल गई कि दिस इज साउथ एंड। सो हम यहाँ पर आए तो थे कंसिडरिंग कि ये बहुत ही स्मॉल टाउन होगा, बट इट वॉज रियली नाइस एंड सरप्राइजिंगली द वेदर वॉज विद अस। सो इट वॉज अ वेरी नाइस वेदर एंड ऑनेस्टली यहाँ का स्काई इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. It looks very clear, very pretty, and now we are almost near to the beach. So basically Southend-on-Sea is mostly known for its beach, and it is like one of the most iconic beach in Essex. And as we live in Essex, we have already been to different beaches in Essex. It was very important that we go through this one as well. So basically when we were looking for a place to park our car, we got to know that it is a very big beach with different kind of I don't know, I think we call it a play zone, or where like different games are there. It was so colorful and nice. It was really fun watching it. And I think अगर आप बच्चों के साथ आ रहे हो, this is one of the best place to go. And there was this hotel or resort, whatever you want to call it. So basically ये सी साइड व्यू देता है आपको, like sea facing view, not sea side view. And if you're coming for a holiday, I think it would be a perfect place to book. यूके में ऑलमोस्ट सारे ही बीचेस पर पियर होता है, एंड एक पियर होता है जहाँ पर वहाँ पर एक फेरिस व्हील होना इज़ मैंडेटरी. बट यहाँ पर फेरिस व्हील के अलावा भी काफ़ी चीज़ें थी. आपको कुछ क्लिप्स तो यहाँ दिख रहे होंगे, बट व्हेन वी गो इनसाइड विल सी मोर. By the way, whole this time we were just looking for a parking spot, because yes, of course we don't want a fine to come when we are going somewhere. So हम काफ़ी देर तक एक parking spot ढूंढते रहे.
So just so you guys know, this is world's #1 free adventure park. So when we go inside, we're gonna see more, but just wanted to let you know about it. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, this is me, Rashi Chandel, and I would really appreciate if you'll take some time and subscribe to my channel. Sorry, I'm very excited because I'm at a very pretty place. Let me show you. We are today here at Southend-on-Sea. It is known to be one of the largest piers in the UK. So now I'm gonna take you around. This is a very pretty place, although the weather isn't in our favor today because it's a bit cold. But let's see how it goes ahead, because we have longer days now. It's already 6:15 that we have come here. तो चलो चल के देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर. Although the pier looks very pretty, let me show you.
फाइनली हमें एक पार्किंग स्पॉट तो मिल गया, लेकिन इट्स फार अवे फ्रॉम द पियर. सो नाउ इट्स टाइम टू वॉक.
This is where I am right now, and I have to go all the way here to get to the pier.
ऑनेस्टली वेदर जितना क्लियर दिख रहा है उतना ही कोल्ड हो चुका था अपेरेंटली, एंड वी weren't expecting this.
इतनी ठंड हो गई है कि I have to put on my jacket on a beach. That's UK for you, my love. यहाँ पे वेदर कभी भी बदल जाएगा एंड मेरे बाल ऑलरेडी एक मैस हो रहे हैं. Getting closer to the pier.
And finally we reached at the gate of the pier. And let me tell you this adventure island is free of cost. So basically there is no entry fee required for this park, and rides के लिए obviously you would have to pay. एंड ऑनेस्टली मैं ये राइड्स देखने के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गई थी बिकॉज आई डू लव राइड्स. एंड यहाँ पर इतने ज़्यादा ऑप्शन थे दैट आई वाज जस्ट कंफ्यूज कि मैं कौन सा वाला पहले ट्राई करूँ.
अगर आप यहाँ आना चाहते हैं तो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड कि आप आफ्टरनून में आएँ ताकि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम मिले यहाँ पे स्पेंड करने के लिए. हम काफ़ी लेट आए हैं लेकिन स्टिल दिस प्लेस इज़ सो प्रिटी. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आई थिंक सो. So excited, I'm going on a roller coaster.
जब तक मेरी टर्न आती है I'm just watching others screaming on a roller coaster. How fun that could be. That इसके बाद मैंने ये वीडियो बंद कर दिया बिकॉज मुझे डर लगा कि फ़ोन टूट जाएगा.
You serious?
But fortunately, one of my friend decided to record it, and I'm so thankful for that. So here the ride goes. ये हम दोनों
With outdoor amazing pier and adventure, they have some indoor games as well. That's like cherry on top. So अब तक जो हमने देखा that was just half of the park, and ये है other half of the park, and it is really nice and kids were really enjoying. It was fun watching them. And then we came to the bigger side of the park जहाँ पर literally काफ़ी fun rides थी, and honestly इन्हें देखकर तो मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा था, लेकिन मौसम इतना ज़्यादा ठंडा हो चुका था कि I didn't have the हिम्मत to try it all. But अगर आप यहाँ आने का प्लान कर रहे हैं, I would highly recommend that come early, maybe in the afternoon, so that you would be able to enjoy the whole park while it's all sun out. And अभी तो काफ़ी अच्छा मौसम चल रहा है. Go out in the summer, enjoy the park and the pier. It's really nice. And this was something जो शायद मैं कभी try ना करूँ, but if you're adventurous enough, you can definitely try this. ये literally 360 जाता है, and it was quite scary to see that. And honestly, अगर आपने final destination देखी है, you won't sit on this.
is Adventure Island for you. Closing hours 9.
And then we ended this day with a nice ice cream and a walk near the beach. It was really nice, calm, and fun. If you're living anywhere near London, you just need to take one train and come directly to the pier. And the best part about this is the station is that कि train आपको directly beach पर drop करेगी, so that no taxi का झंझट. ये कुछ information है जो मैंने वहाँ से ली थी, and if you want, please do have it and use it when you visit them.
World's #1 free entry fun park for you from my end. This was all about the fun park. You can see how I look now because I had so much fun with the rides. The rides are insane, and if you see just one ride and think that you can do it, but once you sit on it, then you know like how fun it is. So I recommend you guys to try it. The tickets here are £35 for the whole day. You can ride as much as you want by that pass, and they are running 50% off if you do rides after 5 p.m. till 9 p.m. So what are you waiting for? It's summers already. Come, have fun. If you find this vlog fun, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and for more such